What's going on, Will?
Tiny little, I assume it's a starvation swarm. There's not much in the environment at the moment. Maybe even came out one of my queen mating nukes too. Probably has actually. We'll hopefully find the queen. If she's marked, then
You know it's yours.
we'll know. The colour of the bees look like they're mine.
Hey?
I'll just grab something over here to stand on.
Is that a safety step?
Yeah, step up.
Safety step, mate.
Yeah. The apple tree that we've never got an apple out of,
You got some bees out of it though, eh?
quite a few times. She stings to the face coming up.
They're not very happy.
No, they're fine. Now they're fanning their wings. I've had this tub full of bees that I've shook out of a swarm. There's the queen there. See the queen?
Oh yeah,
Unmarked.
new one.
I've had this tub full of bees, and see how they're all fanning their wings?
Yeah.
It was full of bees, and if I had long hair, it would have been blowing in the wind.
Yeah, wow.
Big time, eh? And it smelt beautiful. So she's a big girl. Unmarked.
She is big. Look at
Yeah,
the
yeah,
size of her.
she's a mated queen. No mark on her. Full on Italian.
All right.
So I should be able to put her into a box with some drawn comb, and she should start laying eggs pretty quick. But yeah,